I'm here with one of our clients, Paul Curtis. He has a 1935 Plymouth. Okay, Paul, so tell me what it's like when you see these people walk by and they come up to you and start asking you questions about the car. How does it make you feel?
Oh, it's good because I get a crowd here that's a little different from the rest. There's a lot of older folks here that really like to see some of the old bodies show up at the show.
Probably remind them of their childhood.
I got a bunch of great stories that have been passed on to me about where some of these old cars still are in the field next to their farm, and a lot of other. They don't tell me where they live, but they tell me about the cars that are still there that are ready for restoration.
How was your experience here with the Autorama, and how was your experience with That's Minor Customs?
Oh, well, the Autorama, it's not my first year or first car at Autorama, but I'm very pleased with the crowd and with the number of people that have stopped by and asked me about the car. It's been very gratifying.
You like being out here on the end to get a lot of traffic, a lot of people coming out?
My friends that have been here say they saw it without me telling them where to go because it's on the end of aisle. And my experience with your shop was very pleasant too. Everybody was extremely helpful and always went the extra mile to help me out when I had a little problem.
Very good, very good.
Which you're still doing.
Yeah, that's right. We appreciate your business. Thank you so much for everything. The car looks great. It shows very well.
Yep, it does.
The moment of truth is around the corner here, another hour or so.
Yeah.
See if we get a trophy with this bad boy.
Okay.